My name is Robert Graebert. I'm the CTO of Graebert GmbH, a founding member of the Open Design Alliance. Graebert develops DWG-based CAD products under the Ares brand and has the second largest DWG CAD user base. We are uniquely positioned in the market with our focus on providing our CAD solutions on desktop, mobile, and cloud, with a consistent set of APIs for our development partners. Our partners are segment leaders, and Ares is, for example, foundational to DraftSight by Dassault Systems, Onshape Drawings by PTC, and CorelCAD by Corel. In addition, we partner with vendors all over the world to deliver vertical solutions based on Ares. DWG is core to our offerings, and we leverage the Open Design Alliance toolkits for all our products. We also participate in all special interest groups that extend DWG support to specialized domains, Civil 3D, Map 3D, and Mechanical. We decided to participate in each group as the additional toolkits allow us to interoperate with other solutions in the market in each vertical. In addition to DWG, we also participate in the BIM-RV special interest group for the BIM features in our products. For BIM, we're focused on rethinking drawing production in a BIM world. We consume 2D and 3D geometry from IFC and Revit models, and then leverage BIM properties and the full breadth of our CAD features to provide tools for creating automated and associative drawings for your models. Today, I will focus on a different challenge we solve with the Open Design Alliance toolkit, maintaining legacy drawings in the product design market. New product design has migrated away from DWG-based solutions, but drawings continue to be a key workflow in the industry. When we talk to customers, there's a huge need to maintain part information in drawings. In our estimation, there are billions of DWG part drawings that need to be updated for products that are still being manufactured or in active maintenance. This insight was the initiating idea for creating Ares Mechanical. Ares Mechanical extends the DWG editing capabilities of Ares with special features for the objects originally created with AutoCAD Mechanical. This includes part information, bill of materials, and standard-compliant parts and annotations. These objects are all interrelated and contain a lot of hidden complexity. So why is data compatibility with AutoCAD Mechanical so important? The part information in these drawings is not static. It is not sufficient to only visualize all balloons and bill of materials. It is also important to access and edit all properties of the reference parts. Unfortunately, pure DWG support by the Drawings SDK is not enough. Applications built on top of the DWG format have persisted a lot of business logic in so-called custom objects. This means that without full support of the AutoCAD Mechanical objects, updating of part information is not possible. Developing AutoCAD Mechanical compatible libraries is the task of the Mechanical Special Interest Group. The team has been working on building out support for reading, rendering, editing, and writing of mechanical objects. Throughout the development of Ares Mechanical, we work with all areas of the mechanical libraries, and I can give you an inside look on what works really well today and what are areas that are still in progress. Import, export, and rendering for the supported versions of AutoCAD Mechanical objects is working really well, but not all versions of AutoCAD Mechanical are supported at the moment. More support is coming. DXF export and import is currently missing, and for some modules, we're the first company using the APIs, and public APIs are still being extended as needed. I can say that we're working in close collaboration with the development team, and I want to thank everybody for their effort. One of the benefits of the Special Interest Group model is that all SIG members benefit from our testing and bug reporting and can leverage the libraries today. If you interact with product design files, the libraries developed by the Mechanical Special Interest Group are essential. Please consider joining this and other special interest groups. More members mean we collectively make faster progress and have access to better libraries, can unlock this data, and provide better products to our customers. Please reach out to me if you want to discuss our experiences with the special interest groups, and if you're interested in licensing our CAD tools for mobile, desktop, or cloud to kickstart your development with the ODA platform. Thank you, and please enjoy the other presentations.